In this class we are going to discuss about pie chart based questions. देखो UPSC has asked pie chart based question in 2021 also and in 2022 also. दोनों साल one question has been asked based on pie chart. See, pie chart based questions are very easy questions, so you must attempt pie chart based questions in your CSAT paper. So let's discuss all the basic things on how to solve pie chart based questions. See, pie chart based questions are of two types. One is degree based and another is percentage based. Degree based or percentage based. So degree based is like, see, if you see any pie chart is in a circular form, right? So circular form में this entire thing starting from here to here would be 360 degrees. Like say the pie chart is of 360 degrees. So there would be information like men are 50% like represented in 180 degrees etc. ऐसा आएगा pie chart में. While solving questions you will understand it better. Then other is percentage based. So if you see entire pie chart is like 100%, right? And entire pie chart here is 360 degrees in degree based questions. So if we see, so questions क्या होता है कि degree based में information देगा, then options would be in percentage and vice versa, like options would be in percentage and information would be in degrees etc. So from this thing we know any pie chart, so 360 degrees is equal to 100%. ठीक है, 100% is equal to 360 degrees. जैसे इस पाई चार्ट में दे कैन बी लाइक 90 डिग्रीज रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ ए एंड 180 डिग्रीज रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ बी एंड अगेन 90 डिग्रीज रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ सी. ठीक है, सो जैसे ए इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्रीज, बी इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्रीज, सी इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्रीज. सो द एंटायर पाई चार्ट इज 360 डिग्रीज. हमेशा entire pie chart would be 360 degrees. Similarly here, like say A is 45 degrees, ठीक है, then B is 180 degrees, ठीक है, ऐसा रिप्रेजेंट कर सकता है. एंड इन परसेंटेज टर्म्स ऑल्सो, सो परसेंटेज में भी दे कैन रिप्रेजेंट लाइक मान ले कि ये है, ये can be represented as this entire 25%. ठीक है, and again B can be represented as 50%. This part is 50% and जो बचा हुआ this C can be represented as 25%. So total percentage would be 100%. So from both we can say that 360 degrees is equal to 100%. ठीक है, एंड इफ 360 डिग्रीज इज 100% देन 10% कितना होगा भाई, दोनों तरफ 0 0 काट लो, 10% वुड बी 36 डिग्रीज एंड 1% वी कैन फाइंड आउट 1% इज 3.6 डिग्रीज. सो इन क्वेश्चंस वी कैन यूज इट एंड नो नीड टू रिमेंबर, यू कैन सिंपली कैलकुलेट इट. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द बेसिक थिंग अबाउट पाई चार्ट. So now let's move to questions. Question solve करेंगे, easy questions होता है, so you will easily understand. So this is question asked in UPSC CSAT paper 2021. So let's discuss it. See, question is a pie diagram shows percentage distribution of protein, water and other dry elements in the human body. Given that protein corresponds 16%, water corresponds 70%, if both protein and other dry elements correspond to p%. ठीक है, सो क्वेश्चन क्या इंफॉर्मेशन व्हाट वी गॉट इज, देखो प्रोटीन्स इज इक्वल टू 16%, ठीक है, वाटर is 70%, and if both protein and other dry elements correspond P, like protein plus dry elements is equal to P%, ठीक है, then what is the central angle पूछ रहा है कि डिग्री, ठीक है, so of the sector representing P in the pie diagram. अब देखो a pie diagram shows distribution of protein, water and other dry elements. तीन चीजें है, प्रोटीन प्लस वाटर प्लस ड्राई एलिमेंट्स इज इक्वल टू 100%, बिकॉज परसेंटेज में दिया है, एंड ऑल द पाई चार्ट वुड बी कंप्लीटली 100%. वी डिस्कस्ड, राइट, पाई चार्ट इज 100%. सो प्रोटीन, वाटर एंड, अब देखो प्रोटीन वी गॉट 16% प्लस वाटर वी गॉट गिवन 70%, ठीक है, देन ड्राई एलिमेंट्स इज इक्वल टू 100%. अब ये भी दिया है प्रोटीन प्लस ड्राई एलिमेंट्स इज इक्वल टू p%, ठीक है. अब प्रोटीन प्लस ड्राई एलिमेंट्स इज इक्वल टू p% दिया है. अब प्रोटीन इज इक्वल टू 16% प्लस ड्राई एलिमेंट्स इज इक्वल टू p%. तो अब इधर से हमें ड्राई एलिमेंट्स कितना मिलेगा, 100% है, तो सो फ्रॉम हियर वी विल गेट ड्राई एलिमेंट्स इज लाइक 86 प्लस 14%, ठीक है, ड्राई एलिमेंट्स इज 14%. सो p%, हमें p% इज 16% प्लस ड्राई एलिमेंट्स का 14% इज p%. So p% entirely is 30% is the p%. So 30% is the p. So what is the central angle of sector representing p on the pie diagram? भाई अब p को कितना रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, it is 30%, right? So we know 100% is 360 degree, ठीक है, then 30% is equal to how much? So simple, so 30 जो नीचे होता है लोअर वन बाई 100 इंटू ऊपर 360 is equal to, so 0 cancel, this one is 5 2s are and 5 6s are, and again it is 3. So 36 into 3 is 108 degree. So 30% is 108 degree. Option C is the answer. Or you can simply calculate like this. देखो 100% is 360 degrees, ठीक है, then 10% is equal to 36 degree. अब by 30% is into 3 into 3 and 36 into 3. So that is 30% is equal to 36 into 3 is 108 degree. So 108 degree which is P is वो. अगर in similar manner ये भी पूछ सकता है कि by dry elements is कितना, so that is 14%. So you will 1% 3.6 into 14 you can do. 14% degrees में convert करना है. So easy question. So let's see 2022 का. See this is asked in 2021. See how UPSC has asked same model question in 2022 also. See UPSC 2022 question. A pie chart gives an expenditure of 5 different items A, B, C, D and E in a household. If B, C, D and E corresponds 90, अब देखो again pie chart A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to, because a pie chart gives expenditure of items A, B, C of a house in a household. So it is given in degrees, right? So it is 360 degrees because pie chart is representing only these 5 things. So these 5 things given, and we have got if B corresponds to, so B is equal to 90 degrees and C is equal to 50 degrees and D is equal to 45 degrees and E is equal to 75 degrees. ठीक है, अब देखो then what is the percentage expenditure of item A? Item A का पूछ रहा है, so percentage expenditure, so it is asked in percentage, so we can easily get, so replace B, C, D and E in this equation. So A plus B is 90 degrees plus C is 50 degrees plus D is 45 degrees plus E is 75 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. So A is equal to 360 minus सबका ऐड करो, so 90 plus 50 is 140, 140 plus 45 is 185, 185 plus 75, 190, 190 plus 70 is 260. So A is equal to 100 degrees we have got. So what is the percentage of expenditure on item A? So percentage पूछ रहा है, so percentage how we can calculate? देखो, we know 360 degrees is equal to 100 percentage. Now we need to know 100 degrees is equal to how much percentage. So again जो भी नीचे होता है वो ऊपर 100 by 360 into 100. So it is 0 0 cancel. This is 2 18s are and 2 5s are and again 2 9s are and 2 50s are. So it is 250, 55s are 250 divided by 9. So 250 divided by 9 is the answer. Option D is the answer. So once we got the thing, we can easily convert. So and if again if we want, so here again we can easily do like 10% कितना है, so 10% is 36 degrees, so 100 degrees is equal to ऐसा we can calculate, right? So that's the answer. Now let's move to next question. So these are few practice questions. We'll do 3 practice questions, then the class would be over. So easy questions है, you just need to do know बस थोड़ा परसेंटेज कैसे निकालना है, डिग्रीज में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है, सो यू कैन इजीली सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. सो एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन चलते हैं. सो डायरेक्शन पाई चार्ट गिवन बिलो शोज टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु ऑप्टेड डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स फॉर एग्जाम इन जुलाई 2017. स्टडी द डेटा केयरफुली एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. सर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस देखो, टोटल स्टूडेंट्स इज 300 इज गिवन एंड परसेंटेज में दिया हुआ है. सो हिंदी, ज्योग्राफी, मैथ्स, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, संस्कृत एंड इंग्लिश, एंड टोटल स्टूडेंट्स आर 300. सो फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन से, सो 100% is equal to 300 students and total 300 students है. So हिंदी percentage is 13%, ठीक है. ज्योग्राफी is 18%, मैथ्स is 12%, ठीक है. So this entire pie chart represents 100%. So if you add all the percentage, it would be 100%. So then physics 16%, Sanskrit 24%, and English is 17%. So the entire 100%. So this pie chart would be 100%. So percentage. So total students कितना percent? 100%. So if you ask by Hindi कितने students है, that is 13%. 13 by 100 of 300 students, 13% of 300. So it would be zeros cancel, 13 3s are 39 students है वो हिंदी opted, students who opted different subjects. So 39 students opted हिंदी ऐसा. Then again 18% opted geography. So 18 by 100 into total students 300. So 18 3s are वो आपका geography students का आ जाएगा. So in similar way we can do. So we got the information. Now let's see what is asked in question. So sometimes 2 to 3 questions, 4 questions can be asked from pie chart. So make sure अगर आया 3-4 क्वेश्चन है तो make sure you do it in the beginning itself, क्योंकि काफी easy वाले होते हैं. So question is, so ये क्वेश्चन है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, total number of students who opted for geography and maths together is how much less than total students who opted for Sanskrit and physics together. देखो अब क्वेश्चन क्या है, who opted for geography and maths together is how much less. So let's see geography plus maths. So geography plus maths is equal to, so geography is 18% and maths is 12%. So 18% plus 12%. So that is 30%. So 30% is geography plus maths. So now we know total students. So 30% of 300. So 30 by 100 into 300. So 33s are 90 students. So 90 students opted for geography plus maths. ठीक है. Now question is how much less than total number of students opted for Sanskrit and physics. So Sanskrit plus physics is equal to, Sanskrit is 24%, physics is 16%. 24% plus 16%. So that is 24, 40%. So 40% of total 300 students opted Sanskrit plus physics. So 40 by 100 into 300. So that is 120 students. So 120 students opted for, now geography plus maths together is how much less than. So 120 minus 90 is 30 students opted Sanskrit and physics more than geography. So less is 30 less than. So option C is the answer. That's the first question. Easy. Then let's move to second question. Same pie chart वही है, फिर क्वेश्चन अलग है. So find the central angle of total number of students who opted physics. Central angle पूछ रहा है. So opted physics. So physics is 16%. So 16%. So 16%, ठीक है, 16% of 100% है. And we know 100% is equal to 360 degrees. भाई ये परसेंट में दिया है तो 100% है, ठीक है. अगर यही सेम चीज डिग्री में दिया होता तो 360 डिग्री होता. सो नाउ वी नीड टू नो 16% ऑफ 360 डिग्री. सो 16 by 100 into 360 degree. So 0 cancel, ठीक है. So then again 10 2 5s are and 18s are, 2 18s are, ठीक है. Then 16 into 18 divided by 5. So if you do the calculation it would be 57.6 degree, ठीक है. Since it is in degrees, so ये पूरा degrees में आएगा. So 16 into 18 degree by 5. So you will get an answer of 57.6 degree. So 57.6, very easy. So now let's move to next question. So find the ratio between total number of students who opted for English, physics and geography to total number of students who opted for Hindi, English and Sanskrit together. So ratio of total number of students who opted between English, who opted English plus physics plus geography is to ratio of students who opted for English हिंदी प्लस इंग्लिश प्लस संस्कृत. अब देखो इधर इंग्लिश इंग्लिश 2 बार आ गया. ठीक है. सो नाउ लेट्स डू. सो इंग्लिश इज 17% प्लस फिजिक्स इज 16% प्लस geography is 18% is to Hindi is 13% plus English is 17% plus Sanskrit is 24%. ठीक है. So now let's add it. So if we add, it is 51% is to ratio is to this is 54%, right? 51% is to 54%. So 54% of ratio between total number of students. So 15% of total. ठीक है. And 54% of total. So if you do, you can cancel off total percentage. So 51 is to 54. So it comes out to be 17 into 3 7 3s are 21, 3 1s are 3 50. So 17 3 17s are and 3 18s are. So 17 is to 8 would be the ratio. And see here from 51% of total. So 51% of total is what? Total is 300 students, right? 51% of 300 is to 54% of 300. 54% of 300. So it comes out to be 51 by 100 into 300 is to 54 by 100 into 300. So if here we can cancel it out. So 3 को cancel करो, फिर same वही बचेगा 17 is to 18. ठीक है. So ratio is 17 is to 18. So that's it. So काफ़ी easy questions होते हैं from pie chart. So we have done almost 5 questions and we understood the basics. So pie chart, if you see pie chart based questions in UPSC CSAT paper, please do these questions in the beginning. So because it is a very easy topic and there is no point in neglecting these kind of easy topics. In 2021 also one question is there. In 2022 also one question is there. In 2023 you can expect one question और सीरीज दिया तो 2 questions to 3 questions भी आ सकता है एक बड़ा पाई चार्ट देके उधर से. ठीक है. That's it for today's class. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.